This is a video for the full installation of the rear click and go bracket system. Okay, got the package out with all the goodies for at least putting the brackets on. First step is to mount those. Let's see if I can do this. Put these on first and then tighten them to 96 foot-pounds. They go right here and the other one goes right there. The bolts and the nut, let's see if I can get this underneath here. They are both 18 millimeters. So just wanted you to know. And what I did with this is kind of close right here, so you kind of had to come in a little bit of an angle with the bolt and just kind of lightly just tap it just to get past this bolt right here. And then I put this, well, the pin's going to go in, so I just put it in to act as a guide, because this bracket does move around a little bit, so just to make sure everything stays straight, and then tighten it down to 96 foot-pounds. That's that on that side. Okay, 96 foot-pounds. Oh, God. Bingo. Now that's on. Okay, now we gotta move on to the next step. Okay, the next thing we do is we put these pins through these. That's about it. The next step is to install this part of the bracket on the outside plate of this. I'm going to mount to that hole and that hole, that hole and that hole. These are the 10s, the bolts, and these are the 8s. Mine doesn't have the rock shaft, so you have to take extra steps. So I'm not sure about all that, but I'll just go through the process of putting this on. Just wanted to show you a quick close-up of kind of how this looks. This is mounted on the outside of this plate, this bracket I should say, so you can get a better look. And the bolts, the ones in the back here are the M10s, and these are the M8s, and that's what they describe down here in the picture. Yeah, I will be Loctiting these since these are not nylock washers, so I'm going to go ahead and do that and tighten it up. And according to this, the 10s get 54 foot-pounds and the 8s get 27 foot-pounds. 54 foot-pounds for these. It'll be 27 foot-pounds for these. That's that. And we'll just do the same thing the other side. And I guess we'll call it done for these. Okay, well, that's done. Got the brackets in right here, and on the other side got them all done. honestly, that was actually pretty simple to do. I don't think you'd have any problem doing it. So we move on to the next step. Well, okay. The next step is to install the weight bracket, and honestly, that came fully assembled out of this box. This part slides into these pins, then this part slides into here, then you engage these levers and they lock in and you're done. Line up the lower area, engage these pins, that locks in, the other one locks in. Next thing you gotta do is you gotta take out the pin here. Pretty simple, just take that off, this slides out. That's that. I ended up cutting a piece of packing material just so to keep the paint clean. Space them out a little bit. Okay, then get your pin, slide it, put this pin back in, yep, and that's it. Well, okay, I'm all done here, and hopefully you found it helpful. If you could, give me a thumbs up. That's much appreciated. And while you're at it, you can always subscribe to my channel. I'll have more stuff coming out. I'll have some snow plow videos hopefully coming up soon. And that's about it. All right, take care. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.